Shanti. Today is 4th October 2024 and we shall listen to the essence of today's Murli. In the essence, Baba says, "Sweet children, the more you remember the Father with love, the more blessings you will receive and the more your sins will continue to be cut away." Question: which religion does the Father direct you children to stay in? Answer: Baba says, "Children, stay in your religion of being without an image. Do not stay in the religion of an image. Just as the Father is bodiless and without an image, so each of you children too is without an image, and you then enter an image here." The Father now says to you children, "Children, become those without an image. Stabilize in your original religion of the self. Do not come into body consciousness." Question: what is God bound to do by the drama? Answer: God is bound by the drama to purify the children. He has to come at this most auspicious confluence age. The essence for dharana is, first, this spiritual study is very high and difficult. So, in order to pass it, you have to claim blessings by having remembrance of the Father. Reform your character. Second, do not do anything illegal now. Be one without an image and remain stable in your original religion and follow the legal directions of the Father without an image. Blessing: may you be a master almighty authority and easily follow your original religion of purity by keeping the Father's company. The original dharma of souls is purity, whereas impurity is an external dharma. When you have faith in your original dharma, no external dharma can shake you. However, if you recognize the Father accurately and keep Him with you, it then becomes very easy for you to adopt your original dharma of purity, because your companion is the Almighty Authority. Impurity cannot come in front of Master Almighty Authorities, the children of the Almighty Authority. If Maya comes even in your thoughts, then some gate has definitely been left open, or there is something lacking in your faith. Slogan: those who are knowers of the three aspects of time never see anything with one aspect of time. They consider there to be benefit in every situation. Om Shanti.